Meaning of department store.
Department store.
Department store.
Department store.
Department store. A department store is a large retail establishment that offers a wide variety of merchandise organized into various departments. Each department is typically dedicated to a specific type of product, such as clothing, cosmetics, or home goods. Department stores often offer a high-end shopping experience, with well-lit and well-stocked displays, attentive customer service, and amenities such as cafes or restaurants. They may also offer services such as alterations, gift wrapping, and personal shopping. Department stores have been a popular shopping destination for over a century and remain an important part of the retail industry today.